Hey, in this video, I want to share with you a secret Forex trading strategy that has actually enabled me get some consistent wins. So with this strategy, it combines two strategies in one, and that's exactly what we're going to be looking at right here. So what we're looking at on the screen, this is the trading view platform, and what I was actually looking at was the USD JPY Forex trading pair. So as you can see, this market is actually in an uptrend, but then combining this with the smart money concepts or the ICT concepts, I was able to actually come up with a very good trade that enabled me catch up to 90 pips in the market. So if you see right here, this green line basically shows me, or basically tells me the opening of the London session, and then the blue line is the opening of the New York session. So what happened, we had a bullish order block right here that I went ahead and marked out. So if we are able to mark out this right now, you can see this is our order block right here. So I was able to mark this out, and then if we extend it this side, so this market went into the next day, which was the 15th of May, and basically it opened and closed, but there were no big movements in that whole two sessions. That's both the London session and the New York session. So what happened next, this market went into the Asian session. Now on the opening of the London session on 16th, you can see this was actually retracing back, or basically trying to mitigate our order block that we had already marked out, and that's where my area of interest is. So I was able to actually take my trade. I went down to the 15-minute time frame, and I was able to take my trade right at this moment. So this is the particular point. So I was able to actually take a very good trade that gave me some very good profits. So once it tapped back, or once it mitigated this order block, I was able to actually go out for these profits, because I actually also knew that it would take out this previous high of the market. Because actually, if you have a market that is basically in the reverse, which we were in right here, so this market was able to actually give us these number of pips. There were actually 90 something pips. This was it. It was actually, the market was able to give me close to 90 something pips. These were exactly 90 pips that I was able to catch in this market, and I was able to enjoy these profits.